Hello everyone. Yes, I will continue for our preparation exam for certificate on AWS Generative AI Developer Professional, where we'll continue on domain for operational efficiency and optimization, which covers 13% of the exam questions. So I will give you 1 minute to read each question, then we'll discuss the available answer for each question. So the correct answer for question number 41 is option B, as prompt caching can reduce costs by up to 90% for cached prompt prefixes. The system prompt 500 tokens repeated on every call is the ideal use case. But in option A, it reduces per token cost but doesn't address the 500 token overhead. And in option C, reduces output quality. And in option D is for predictable throughput, no cost reduction on variable workloads. Let's go to next question, question number 42. So the correct answer for question number 42 is option C, as batch inference is specifically designed for offline asynchronous processing like night batch jobs, offering up to 50% cost saving. But in option A, it reduces tokens but not as dramatically. And in option B, provision throughput is 200 for commitment. And in option D, pricing is consistent across region for on demand. So let's go to next question. So the correct answer for question number 43 is option B, as intelligent prompt routing across model tiers is the most cost effective while preserving quality for complex queries. But in option E, sacrifice quality on complex queries. And in option C, reduces costs but not as effectively as tiered routing. And in option D, increases latency. Let's go to next question. So the correct answer for question number 44 is option B, as temperature control randomness Setting temperature to zero makes the model deterministic, same input to same output. And in option A increases randomness. And in option C, top B also controls diversity, increasing diversity. And in option D, truncates responses but doesn't improve consistency. Let's go to next question. So the correct answer for question number 45 is option C, as provision throughput guarantees capacity during peaks. Auto-scaling can reduce capacity during off-peak, but in option A doesn't solve latency, only handles errors, and in option B adds cross-region latency, and in option D helps, but with repeated queries or not unique ones. So let's go to next question. So the correct answer for question number 46 is option B, as semantic trunking splits as natural boundaries, paragraphs, sections, ensuring that related content stays together. But in option A may still split across sections, and in option C exceeds the context window for larger documents, and in option D makes the problem worse. Let's go to next question. So the correct answer for question number 47 is option C, as cost saving in production comes from per token cost difference between teacher and student models. But in option A, effect is the training cost, not inference. And in option B, effect is training cost. And in option D, effect is perceived latency, not build cost. Let's go to next question. So the correct answer for question number 48 is option B, as semantic caching uses embedding and vector similarity to identify equivalent queries. But in option A, only affects freshness, and in option C, only handles minor variations. And in option D, address is capacity, not semantic equivalence. So let's go to next question. So the correct answer for question number 49 is option B, as prompt caching dramatically reduces time to first token because the cached prompt prefixes doesn't need to be reprocessed. But in option A, affects the total time, not it TTFT for first token. And in option C, may help but not as dramatically. And in option D, increases latency for real-time applications. So let's go to next question. So the correct answer for question number 50 is option C, as Bedrock application inference profiles automatically tag costs with the profile name, enabling accurate cost allocation. But in option B, adds operational overhead, and in option A, tax needs to be applied to resources, and in option D, is manual and is inaccurate. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel to get more information. Thank you.